Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have domain control and a payment method. Now begin. Sign in to Google Workspace Admin with your admin account and select the plan that fits your user count and storage needs. Once done, open Users and prepare to add accounts. Create one test user first to validate settings, then format a CSV for bulk import with name, primary email, and role. Make sure to enable two-step verification for the admin to secure setup before adding more users. Next, import your CSV to create users in bulk, assign temporary passwords, and require password change at next sign-in. Once accounts exist, update your domain's MX records to point to Google's mail servers and wait for DNS propagation. Verify delivery in the admin console. Then organize users into organizational units, create groups and aliases for role-based addresses, and set shared mailboxes where teams need collective access. Make sure to apply appropriate permissions and email routing rules as you go. Finish by enabling security policies, require two-step verification, enforce strong passwords, and enable DKIM and SBF for email authentication. Test sending and receiving from internal and external accounts, configure mobile sync via a map or exchange, and confirm calendar and contact sharing work across users. Once done, set a retention and backup policy. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Recheck MX records. Verify SBF/DKIM/DMARC records. Confirm DNS-TTL has passed, and rerun domain verification and delivery diagnostics in the admin console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.